Hello, awesome students. This is teacher Melissa. Welcome to science class. Today is going to be an amazing and incredible day because we will be learning together on how to make correct predictions in a given situation. Now, I'm thinking, what is prediction? Prediction is a statement about future events. It is the process of using past observations or data along with other kinds of scientific knowledge to forecast events or relationships. They are often, but not always, based upon experience or knowledge. The day-to-day weather can be predicted by studying the changes in the atmosphere. Predicting the weather is based on observation using exact measurements and scientific instruments. Predicting is telling what will happen next based on the pattern of changes. Now we already know what prediction is. It is now time for us to measure volume. In measuring volume activity, we need the following materials: 1 keystone, graduated cylinder or glass with measurement, foot rule, water, pencil, and record notebook. In doing measuring volume activity, we need to follow procedure. Number 1, prepare the materials and position them following the figure after this slide. For number 1, how much volume does this object have? Number 2, put the object in a graduated cylinder with water to find out. The water rises 2 units, thus the object has a volume of 2. Now we are done preparing the materials and position them following the figures. The next step is to measure 2 ml of water inside the graduated cylinder or glass. Next thing you're going to do is to get the stone and place it inside the graduated cylinder or glass. And number 4, you're going to observe what happened to the water inside the cylinder. And last but not the least, you're going to keep the stone inside the cylinder and record the volume. Hi guys! Now let's see how much you have learned from our experiment. Again, what experiment did you do today? Alright, it's measuring volume. The activity you have made shows the process of using past observations or data along with other kinds of scientific knowledge to forecast events or relationships, and that is to make correct prediction. Now who can give me correct prediction? Based on the result, what happens to the water inside the cylinder? Alright, the water level inside the cylinder increases. Alright guys, now let's try to solve the problem by predicting how much volume does the object have. What will happen if you're going to put 4 additional stones inside the cylinder? Let's come up new ideas by doing prediction. Yes, you got it right. The volume of the object, which is a stone, is 2 ml. As we put additional 4 stones, the water level as well increases by 2 ml, making it 10 ml of water. And now, Let's study the picture by answering the questions that follow. Come on, let's practice this together. Now let's predict situation number 1. A glass container has 10 ml water. When a rubber ball was added to it, the level of water rose to 20 ml. What will be the level of water if another ball with the same size and weight is added into the container? Option A, 30 ml. Option B, 40 ml. Option C, 50 ml. And option D, 60 ml. The correct answer is letter A. Very good! Situation number 2. What will happen to the level of water if 2 balls will be added? Option A, it will increase to 50 ml. Option B, it will increase to 40 ml. Option C, it will increase to 60 ml. And option D, the water level will remain the same. Alright, the correct answer is letter B. Question number 3. What happened to the water inside the cylinder when you place the ball? Option A, the water increases. Option B, the water decreases. Option C, the water remains the same. Option D, the water dries up. Well done! The answer is letter A. Number 4. The level of water increases as balls were added to the container. How much volume does 1 ball occupy in the container? Option A, 10 ml. Option B, 5 ml. Option C, 20 ml. And option D, 30 ml. Alright, the correct answer is letter A. For number 5 question, what will happen to the volume of water if more balls were added? Option A, the more number of balls, the higher the volume increases. Option B, the lesser number of balls, the lower the volume increases. To continue, option C, the more number of balls, the higher the volume decreases. Option B, the lesser number of balls, the lower the volume decreases. Alright, the correct answer is letter A. Very good! Wow, you were all amazing and incredible. I think you all understood our lesson for today. With the sparse you've got, it is forecasted that you can make correct prediction in a given situation. That's unbelievable! Always remember that there are key points in making correct prediction. When you say predicting, it is guessing the most likely outcome of a future event based upon a pattern of evidence. In making prediction, we give a guess or temporary answer to a situation. Our basis in making prediction is based on series of patterns observed. Predictions are accurate if they are based on present as well as past observations. And our last key points to remember: a prediction may be made between observed events. Oh class, it's already time. But remember, aside from what we have learned today, safety first is necessary. Live, love, and life to shine on. Before you end, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next meeting. Bye!